Typically, Samsung releases new models of the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip just before the autumn season. The once dominant Galaxy Note series has been easily supplanted by the foldable phones, which are presently in their fourth iteration. Without a doubt, the top-of-the-line Galaxy S23 Ultra will be followed by the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 as the contender for the title of this year's most expensive Samsung phone. Samsung has continually improved the design of its foldable phones over time. We have witnessed advancements in display technology, durability, new software gimmicks, and more throughout the years, even if the devices have mostly retained their appearance. Improvements to the internal hardware are always being made, such as stronger SoCs and improved cameras. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is already being described as Samsung's most admired foldable device yet in this year's rumors. This assertion is supported by another Korean magazine that predicts the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be on sale on July 26. Sales of the phone are scheduled to start a week or two after the announcement. There isn't a lot of official information available regarding the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. However, there are other rumors that suggest additional improvements. In the past, when folded, Samsung's foldable phones with a booklet-style design have always featured an obvious gap between the two sides. However, a new rumor suggests that this could not be the case with the incoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to reports, the business will use a teardrop-shaped hinge, like the one seen on the Motorola Razr 2022 and the Oppo Find N2. When the gadget is folded, this special hinge design will enable the two sides of the display to shut flat on top of each other, giving the device a more seamless and uniform look. The rumored teardrop-style hinge design for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is anticipated to limit the visibility of the display seam in addition to giving the folded object a more uniform look. Previous iterations, like the Galaxy Z Fold 4, featured a pronounced crease in the middle of the screen when folded. However, the new design will result in a teardrop form when the phone is closed, resulting in a more gradual curve and less creasing. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.